Hello my beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel Decor and DIY with Anita. I'm your girl Anita, and I just want to share with you quickly how I decorate my entranceway for summer, guys. Everything that I'm using, I DIY'd, guys. That wreath is a DIY, and I also have the video on my channel, so please go ahead and watch that video, guys. Gonna be putting out pretty much everything that I DIY. That basket right there are two wire basket I purchased from the Dollar Tree, and all I did was zip tie them together. Y'all see when I made that table, I just take the tray off of it and I use it now as a planter, guys. So everything is DIY in this except for that tree. I always have that tree at my doorway, guys, but everything pretty much I DIY, and all supplies were purchased from the Dollar Tree. Now this beautiful planter that you see me place right there, that you're looking at right now, that's a DIY, guys, and I do have the video that I think I posted that video yesterday or 2 days ago, but go ahead on my channel and watch the videos and try to watch them until the end, you guys, so that you could see how I make them, guys, because I know you guys want to try these out, want to try to make some for yourself. So if you watch until the end, you'll see exactly how I do so. So this is inside of my little foyer area. I didn't do much. I just put up that little curtain right there, and it's a DIY too, because that curtain, I was gonna throw it out, but then I say, you know what, let me do like a valance with it. So I make like a little valance with it, to put by the my window right there. Okay, so this little thing I purchased from the Family Dollar for $1.25. It's a little metal butterfly, and I'm just gonna place it on the top of my tree right there, and that's all I'll be putting on the tree. I do have another one that I'm gonna put above. There we go, right there, boom. So that's the bird, and that bird looked like a hummingbird. Sorry, it sort of looks like a hummingbird. So I just love it for the summer, and I decided to go with a lot of colors, guys. So normally I use 1 or 2 colors or 3 colors, but this time I go with like a multicolor theme. So I do hope you guys enjoy this video, and I do hope that you like my entranceway. Please comment down below, let me know what you think of my 2025 summer entranceway, guys. So there you have it. And I'm gonna put some music on, and you guys could continue view my entranceway. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me. I appreciate you all for watching and commenting, and thank you to my existing subscribers and my new subscribers. Thank you guys so much. So guys, I do hope that you watch until the end, you guys. Trying to get to 4,000 watch hours before the end of the year, guys. So if you could watch my videos until the end, it would mean so much to me. It means a lot to me if you watch it until the end, guys. Thank you guys so much for your continued support. I appreciate and love you all from the bottom of my heart. Before you go, please give this video a thumbs up. Drop me your comments down below. Let me know what you think of my entranceway. Share my videos with your family and friends. I don't mind, like I always say. And guys, please, if it's your first time here, thank you so much for stopping by. And if you could put your post notification bell on, I would appreciate that, so that the next time when you go on your YouTube page, you'll be notified that I have a video. So you'll see my video whenever you go on, whenever I put out a brand new video. Once you are subscribe and you have your post notification bell set on all. Okay, so if you can't find that button, it's right beside subscribe. When you hit subscribe, there's a little arrow at the side. Just click on that arrow and then you select all. It is that simple. Thank you all again. I love you all and I appreciate you all from the bottom of my heart. And I hope to see you in the next one. Until next time, guys, be blessed and be creative. Bye bye.